Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to check the actual maximum battery capacity of your Android phone, meaning how much it's really charged in milliamp hours, mAh, not just what the manufacturer claims. What you'll need: an Android phone, a USB cable, a computer, Windows. Step first. Enable developer mode. Open Settings. Go to Device or About Phone. Tap Device OS version or build number several times. You will see a message. You are now a developer. Step second. Turn on USB debugging. Go back to Settings, navigate to Additional Settings, then Developer Options. Find and enable USB debugging. Confirm the prompt and wait a few seconds. Step third. Download Platform Tools. Check the video description for the download link to Platform Tools or search online. Download Android Platform Tools. Step 4. Connect your phone and run the command. Connect your phone to the computer via USB. Open the Platform Tools folder, hold Shift+, right-click inside the folder, then choose Open PowerShell window here. In PowerShell, type the following command: /adb shell dumpsys battery. Step 5. Read the battery info. This command will display detailed battery information. Look for the charge counter, which shows how much mAh your battery actually holds when fully charged. Now, I will explain what each of these parameters means. My phone is rated at 4600 mAh, but the charge counter shows only 4117.5 mAh. That means the battery has degraded a bit. A 5% margin is normal, but if the difference is large, it might be time to replace the battery. Wrap up. And that's it. A simple way to check your phone's real battery health. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling us what you'd like to learn next. We'll make it happen. Let me know if you want help with the video title, thumbnail ideas, or description text. I've got plenty of tricks for making it pop.